Hello, this is Kathy, the Arty Mummy, and welcome back to my 365-day challenge. This is day 6, and today we are completing a shoal of fish. Now, this was quite fun, making little cartoony fishies in different shades and different colours. But just to mix it up a little bit, my little girls decided that Mummy hadn't given them any painting time today or even yesterday, so they wanted to have a go as well. So I let them each have a turn after I had done a little bit to show them a couple of ideas on fish, and they went way past with their imagination, and I think they did a really fabulous job. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching, and I also apologise for the watermark that up there in the top corner and the video quality not being all that great. I have a new phone and I'm trying out some new apps and things to try and get to where I was with the other phone, with my old phone, and it's just not quite happening for me yet, and I don't want to buy an app that I'm not 100% happy with, so I'm just trying out a couple and see what works best for me and for you guys as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I promise they will get better again. And thank you so much for watching. I'll let the girls have a turn now.
Hi, I'm Chiara, and I'm gonna paint some types of fish. And this is a mermaid.
What did you think about your painting?
The ocean, obviously. What else would I think about?
Did you like using lots of different colours?
Yeah, but I personally liked the mermaid. That was probably the best mermaid I've done in my life.
That's really cool. And was it easy or hard?
Doing the mermaid or the whole thing?
Whatever you like.
Well, the mermaid was hard because it didn't really get the tail right. And I did it better again. Well, and the other bits were quite easy.
Cool. What are you painting there?
A killer whale.
That's pretty neat. I love the way you left his tummy white, like a real killer whale.
Yeah. I also did one up there. It's a shark at the top. And the thing that's poking out of the water is a dolphin.
Oh, and I love that you did some other oceany things like coral and rocks and seaweed.
The thing at the bottom corner at the right is a reef bed, like the thing.
Oh, very cool.
That's it.
And you've got a jellyfish and an octopus.
Yeah, I do. Like
and is that a starfish?
What I just drawed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm not really good at stars. The thing down the bottom at the left.
And you've got a diver too.
Yeah.
And you're doing bubbles.
Coming from the mermaids and the snorkeler, because well, he's like got scuba dive and that comes out bubbles.
Okay, I think it's Ellia's turn now.
Yeah. Okay.
Ellia. Ellia. Would you like to tell everyone about your painting today?
Mm-hmm.
What were you doing?
I was drawing a was drawing some fish over here.
Very cool. And I love all the little dotty fish. And what's that up there?
That's a merman.
Uh-huh. And what's he doing?
He's swimming with some fish, and he's looking for a girlfriend.
Oh, okay. So you've got a mermaid and a merman and lots of schools of little teeny weeny fish.
These two, those are my sisters and mums, and I'm doing fish everywhere.
Everywhere. I think it looks fabulous. Look how full of life that reef is. That's wonderful.
I almost want to do a turtle.
Is that another mermaid on top?